Hey, it's Nursey at Bolus RN coming with a daily dose of dosage calculations, a heparin and bolus problem. The provider has ordered a heparin bolus of 1,500 units followed by a continuous IV drip of 13 units per kilogram per hour for a patient that weighs 182 pounds. You have a heparin vial labeled heparin 1,000 units per ml. How many mLs are you going to give for your initial bolus? And then what will you set your IV pump for a continuous drip if your 250 ml bag is labeled 40,000 units of heparin? All right, so this is a two-part problem. So the first part is going to be the bolus. The bolus is just going to be that one amount of medicine that is given, shoot, in the vein, and that's it. It's not going to be a continuous drip. So what we are looking for right here is what the question asks us for. Our goal is to find milliliters. So we have ordered 1,500 units, and we have a vial. That is what we'll draw the medicine out of. That's labeled 1,000 units per ml. So if I'm looking for ml, I'm going to put my milliliters on the top and my units on the bottom, and then my 1,500 units will go on the top, and those will cross out and give me 1.5 milliliters for my bolus. Simple enough. Don't make it harder than what it has to be. That is your bolus amount. Now we can figure out the IV drip. So this is going to be a continuous infusion by a pump. We know we can give it either via gravity, which will have a drop factor in it, or if it's pump, it's going to automatically be milliliters per hour. So that is our goal. So we have the patient's weight is 182 pounds. The order is for 13 units per kilogram per hour. And our medicine is available as 40,000 units in a 250 milliliter bag. So PPP, patient prescription product. That's how I figure out what I need to use for the elements to solve the problem. So if we're looking for milliliters on the top and hours on the bottom, I'm going to start with my milliliters. So 250 mLs over 40,000 units. Now we have our units on the bottom, so I'll put my 13 units over my kilograms per hour. Units are crossed out, and our weight is in pounds. We need a conversion. So 1 kilogram over 2.2 pounds. Our kilograms are now gone. And then we can now put our patient's weight, which is 182 pounds. Put it over 1, cross out your pounds. And now we have milliliters on the top and hours on the bottom. Multiply across the top, multiply across the bottom, divide, and then you'll get 6.72 or 6.7 milliliters per hour if you are rounding to the nearest whole number. You can connect with me on my social media, on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that we are studying on Wednesday nights and Sunday nights. And if you can't make it, you can catch the replay on YouTube. And as always, be blessed.